Starting with this very flattering angle and this one too, I find myself sitting in a cafe, like always, typing away, mesmerized yet again by the swirling of coffee as the colors blend, the clouds passing by, the sound of the keyboards, and people just living their lives. I find myself thinking of what to do as I navigate different angles, hobbies in my life, trying to find common ground. And I did. It was simple. Storytelling, which is going to be the focus of this channel in all its forms: vlogs, short stories, art, everything united by the human nature of telling stories. This spot in the cafe has always been my favorite. I can gaze at the clouds, drink coffee, stare at flowers, which has been a new hobby of mine. As we enter autumn, I try to take in all the little green pieces, enjoying the moment. It was quite rainy these past few days while I recorded this, so the moment it stopped, I took the opportunity to stretch my legs and went on a very long walk just to browse for a few things. tucked away in a basement is a glorious little art shop. I wanted to get back into physical drawing, but I wanted to try a different medium, and I did buy a few things, and as you'll see, I just love spending time in stationery shops. Who doesn't? Looking at all this stuff. I always find myself nervous recording in public, as I'm quite new to this and I don't want to offend anyone, get anyone in the picture, make anyone uncomfortable. So I was very happy to find this shop all to myself. It was so much fun exploring without being nervous, but I was on a mission and they changed the layout, but I did find what I was looking for, as you will see. I do hope you enjoy this shopping trip with me. After a shopping trip, I decided to head back home and take a turn, a longer route, which I regretted very soon. But like I said, I had to stretch my legs and walk to the point that you get that good ache, and I achieved it. I failed horribly recording that bridge, but I did want to put in the footage. I did manage to record, but this entire stretch of road was an uphill battle, literally, but I still enjoyed it, and at this point I regret my decision, my poor legs, but it felt good. I also went down a familiar area, unfamiliar road. I theoretically knew where this stretch was going. I never took it. I'm happy I did. I felt comfortable exploring an area I didn't know, but I knew where it was leading to, if it makes sense. And I found hidden gems. And by hidden gem, I mean a very big 7-Eleven, which was so close to where I always walked, tucked away behind a different building, that I'm angry it took me so long to find it, but I did. Still haven't been inside, but it is what it is. I do hope you enjoyed this trip as I drink my condensed milk latte, my favorite thing in favorite areas. I do hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you very soon, sooner than when I posted this video. Have a nice day, evening, wherever you are in the world.